Okay, student. Now we go to Unit 4, how to tell a location on Earth. So please open your book to Unit 4 and watch the video. This lesson we will talk about latitudes and longitudes. We will talk about how to find location by using the latitudes and longitudes. And also, for the oceans and continents, this part you need to do your self-study for the examination. Okay, let's talk about latitudes and longitudes first. First of all, let's start with longitudes. What is longitudes? This is the Earth. So, we have a lot of vertical grid lines. These vertical grid lines running from the north to the south. So, on the Earth, you can draw a lot of vertical grid lines. We call these vertical grid lines, we call these longitudes. 經線. And then there is an important longitude. This important longitude is called 0-degree longitude. 0-degree longitude. This is the prime meridian. So this prime meridian goes through a country. This country is England. Because this line cuts through the Greenwich Observatory of London. 佢經過倫敦嘅格林威治天文台。Okay, so this line, this special longitude, this one that I am pointing here is called prime meridian. 本初子午線. And then it cuts the Earth into east and also the west. Let's look at this picture. So you can find there are a lot of longitudes, right? So here, this line is the 0-degree longitude. Okay, the 0-degree longitude. You find London first, you find England first, and you find London. So you can find this 0-degree longitude. Okay, as I have mentioned, it cuts through the Greenwich Observatory, 格林威治天文台. So this is the most important longitude. So by using this longitude, we can divide the Earth into east and the west. 東半球、西半球 Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. From the 0-degree longitude, we can go to the east for 180 degrees. So you can look at this 0, 10, 20, 30 degrees, 40, 50, 60, okay, and then up to the back here is 100 degrees. So here we have 180 degrees east. And also from the prime meridian, we go to the west, we also have 180 degrees to the west. So totally, how many degrees do we have for the Earth? 180 to the east and 180 to the west. How many? The answer should be yes, 360 degrees. Do you understand? So let's go on to another one. Another one is called latitudes. 緯線. So latitudes, they are the horizontal lines running from west to east. These are the horizontal lines running from west to east. Can you see this? Okay. They circle around the Earth. They form a lot of circles. Okay, so these are the latitudes. They are the horizontal grid lines. And also, there is an important latitude which is called 0-degree. Okay, 0-degree. This is the 0-degree latitudes. Okay, this is called equator. 赤道. Equator. 0-degree latitude. In Chinese, 赤道, 赤 means very hot. So all the countries along this equator are very hot. Okay, so this is called equator. If this is 0-degree, then we have 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then up to here, totally we have 90 degree. So we have 90 degree north. 90 degree north. This is the North Pole, 北極點. Okay, so we also have 10, 20, 30, etc. up to the south. So we have 90 degrees south. The 90 degrees south. Oh, this is wrong for your book. It should be South Pole, South Pole, 南極點. So you can find by using the latitudes, we can divide the Earth into northern part and southern part. Northern part we call it northern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, 北半球. And then the southern part we call it southern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, 南半球. Oh, can you follow? So here we have the longitudes, alright, the longitudes, and we also have the latitudes, Can you find it? So the latitudes and longitudes make a lot of squares, okay, make a lot of squares. So we use these squares to tell the location. Okay, so let me repeat some of the important latitudes. The first one is called North Pole, which is 90 degrees north, 北極點. And then here we have Arctic Circle, 北極圈, which is 66.5 degrees north. And then we have Tropic of Cancer, 北迴歸線, which is 23.5 degrees north. And this I have mentioned, this is called Equator. Oh, next one is Tropic of Capricorn, 南迴歸線. And also we have Antarctic Circle, 南極圈, 66.5 degrees south. And the last one we have South Pole. Okay, so students, can you follow all these important latitudes? When you have revision, you need to remember all of them and you need to know how to spell them correctly. Okay, so if you have no problem, can you tell me the names of the lines? Okay, first of all, this point to the very north of the Earth, this is North Pole. And here, this circle, okay, in Chinese, 北極圈, which is the Arctic Circle. And here, here is 23.5 degrees north, okay, 北迴歸線, Tropic of Cancer. And the middle one is 赤道, Equator. And to the south, we have Southern Hemisphere. So let's look at the south, okay? So here we have 66.5 degrees south, which is Antarctic Circle. And the last point to the very south of the Earth, which is South Pole. Okay, student, I hope you can follow this. So please have vision. Oh, still one more, sorry. We have this line. Okay, we have this line for the longitude. Do you remember the name? This is called prime meridian. Okay, so when you have revision, you need to remember their names, spell the words, and also remember the degrees. Okay, that's all for this video.